Imagine walking into your office and there, sitting quietly on your desk, is a machine no bigger than a stack of coasters that has the power to render an entire 8K feature film while simultaneously training a local AI model. No fans spinning up like a jet engine. No massive tower taking up space. This is the reality Apple is about to drop on us with the M5 Mac Mini. For years, the Mac Mini was the affordable Mac. The one you bought for basic office work or a home media server. But those days are officially over. The whispers coming out of Cupertino and the supply chain in Taiwan aren't just about a spec bump. They are about a fundamental shift in how we define a desktop computer. Today, we are tearing down everything we know about the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. A machine that is rumored to be so powerful it makes the current Mac Studio look like a prototype. If you are thinking about buying a Mac right now, I'm going to need you to pause. Don't look at the M4. Don't even look at the current Studio. Because the M5 Mac Mini is about to reset the price-to-performance ratio for the entire industry. We are diving into the 2-nanometer architecture breakthrough, the Thunderbolt 5 revolution that changes how we connect displays, and the radical AI-first design that Apple has been building towards since they first uttered the words, Apple Silicon. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly why the M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It's a declaration of war against the traditional PC. The heart of the story begins with the silicon. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It is a generational leap. For the first time, Apple is expected to move to a 2-nanometer manufacturing process. To put that in perspective, we're talking about cramming billions more transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. This isn't just about speed, it's about thermal efficiency. The M5 is being designed to run cooler than any chip before it, which is the only way Apple can fit this much power into the tiny, redesigned chassis of the Mac Mini without it melting through your desk. The benchmarks we've seen leaked from early testing suggest a multi-core performance jump that puts it within striking distance of the M2 Ultra. Think about that. An entry-level desktop matching the power of a $5,000 workstation from just a few years ago. But the M5 isn't just built for speed, it's built for Apple intelligence. We are entering the era where your computer doesn't just run apps, it thinks. The M5 features a dedicated neural engine architecture that is rumored to be twice as fast as the M4. This isn't for gimmicky Siri jokes. This is for running large language models locally on your machine, with total privacy. It's for real-time video upscaling that turns your old 1080p footage into 4K in the blink of an eye. Apple is positioning the M5 Mac Mini as the AI hub for the modern home and office. It's the brain of your ecosystem, processing your data with a level of security that cloud-based AI simply can't match. Now, let's talk about the physical reality of this machine, because the rumors of a design reset are reaching a fever pitch. While the Mac Mini got a size reduction in the previous generation, the M5 model is rumored to refine that compact Pro aesthetic. We are looking at a chassis that might actually be even more efficient with its port placement. But the real news is the shift to Thunderbolt 5. This is a game changer for pros.